Episode number 96. Welcome all of you. And we are entering the flat. Deco paint of the entrance foyer is going on. Polishing of the veneer is almost on the verge of completion. Majority of the things have been completed. It is the polishing work, minor work of carpentry with regards to alignment and fixing of few hardwares are going on. Extensively, the work which is carried on currently is the painting related work. So there are finer touch points with regards to painting, which we are doing. These are the dining table chairs. So they are all set for polishing. So I'll be revealing the surprise of few elements like dining table and other things towards the end of the completion. Bathrooms are all set with most of the plumbing items, even the basins have been installed. Door, as I mentioned earlier, that we are working on the polishing. So groove polishing, since majority of my furniture here on this side is with the placement of different grooves. So the groove polishing work is going on, and cleaning side by side is also going on, because I believe it has to be at least 3 to 4 stages of deep cleaning to ensure a proper handover. Also, the advantage of cleaning is while we clean, there are many minor things which usually sometimes they get left out, or they are not yet complete. So while we do cleaning, that is a process where we see everything thoroughly and get it done. So thank you so very much, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.